Today I'm going to be doing an official music video. Just kidding. I think there's some M&Ms in my school bag, so I think I get to get them out. Oh my god. Wow. Yeah, it's from my breakfast once when I was at school. When I was going to school, I was laid up, so I wasn't able to get any breakfast. So, yeah, I think there's some M&Ms in here. Can you see? Don't see my chicken. There you go, guys. Wait. Are you kidding me? Don't need. There's no love. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? There's none left. Are you kidding me? Kidding me? It's not fair. There's not one.